So I'm going to show a few of the cloud hosting providers and products that I've been using to host applications. The first is Heroku. If you haven't heard of it, it's definitely worth a look at their website. It's been really great working with the Heroku platform. I've hosted back-end projects like Node.js applications as well as front-end projects on their platform, and also use it for MySQL databases and Postgres databases. I've mainly used Heroku with GitHub repositories, but some of the things they say here on the front page: invest in apps, not ops. Let Heroku handle all the hard stuff. It's true. They patch their servers, upgrade everything 24/7, 365. And so you can focus more on just building out your applications and take care of everything else behind the scenes with their platform. A few other things to point out here: their data services, as I mentioned, Heroku Postgres, it works really well, and they do backups more or less depending on what your needs are. The marketplace, there's a lot of add-ons. I've used a few specific add-ons to help me with working on mono repos in GitHub, and I've used some build packs. And their pricing, some of their free services are going to be going away, like this free and hobby plan, so you have to look at that closely to see if it will meet your needs or not. The next website I will mention is Vercel, or vercel.com, vercel.com. They are just a really great cloud hosting platform that I've been working with. I've used it for deploying my front-end applications, and they all talk to the Heroku backend applications, and their website has a ton of information about all of their services and features. But as they say here, start with the developer first. Developers love Next.js, the open source React. Vercel built that together with Google and Facebook. Next.js powers the biggest websites like Patreon. And as they say here, Vercel is the best place to deploy any front-end app, and I have found it has been really fantastic to work with. So you should definitely check into vercel.com if you're looking for a new cloud hosting provider. As they do mention here, it works with 30 plus frameworks, which is quite a few. As they show here, merge changes instantly go live on their global edge network, putting your content as close as possible to your customers. Everything is taken care of for you, from SSL encryption to asset compression and cache invalidation. Of course, speed is critical to customers, and if you've worked with search engine optimization, you'll know that it is very important to get higher rankings by having your pages be faster. So using technology like this can definitely help. And you can see here the number of cities, 29 billion plus requests per week, guaranteed uptime 99.9%, and the amount of data served is mind-boggling. So if you haven't used it before, I would highly recommend you set up a free account and set up some free applications and give it a try. And the last cloud provider I will mention here is netlify.com. So I've been using them to host various different applications and have found it to be really fantastic working with their platform. They have some additional services that other cloud providers don't have, and I've used it for hosting front-end applications like Next.js applications mostly. Here they're saying they have 2,500,000 plus developers and businesses using Netlify. And with Netlify, you can deploy your changes 10 to 15 times a day if you needed to, or more. You can see some of the companies. There's big companies using their technology. So here they're saying it's all ready already. Skip the painful setup and DevOps. Netlify is a global production-ready environment from the start. And in my experience, that is true. Skip the server setup and get straight to the building. That is the building of your applications. So it's been, again, fantastic working with it. And I really enjoy it. And I plan to use it for many more applications in the future. One testimonial here from Justin Watts. We can launch websites and campaigns in minutes with no ops. A goal that has often been a pipe dream in our industry. And I've found this to be more and more true working with these types of platforms. They take care of so many things for you, especially once you've set up a couple applications. It becomes really easy and fast. So definitely give it a look. And I hope this video has helped you learn something new about new or newer cloud providers.
If you like this channel, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when I post new content.